Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite snacks. I got some peanut butter already out here. Get a little bit more peanut butter. Then we're going to add some protein to it. More protein. Couple scoops of that stuff. Any protein works. Nice to get this powder all mixed in with the peanut butter. And then we add the honey. Now mix it all up. You might need more of something. You might need more peanut butter. Or I don't really measure. Looks like we done a good guess here today. You could use your fingers, but I'm going to share this with other people, so I thought, I'm not going to use my fingers. Take all this, get it mixed up nice. So you could probably mix it up even better than that. But I think that's good enough. Now what I'm going to do is add the peanuts. And we're going to make a yummy nut roll. All we got here is peanut butter, honey, protein, some unsalted peanuts. So it still doesn't look edible. Looks like a gob. So we need more peanuts. So all the peanuts are stuck to the outside. That's our goal. I'm sure you can make it more pretty than what I did, especially if you use your hands better. But we got a pretty big log roll here. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer. Tomorrow, it'll probably be good in about 3-4 hours, but tomorrow I'll cut it up and we got plenty of serving sizes. Way better snack than grabbing a candy bar. It'll be way more healthy. Hope you enjoyed the show.